Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. So I'm teaching myself microcontroller programming using this introduction to microcontroller course and this bit of EBlocks. I'm on, I think this is like lesson 26 now. So I am currently programming this LCD. I think in the last video, what did we do? Oh yeah, that was it. We read the inputs on these switches, which give us a binary number in bytes. Oh, sorry, a byte that stores a binary number of 8 bits. So if I press the last switch, then that reads 128. And what I'm doing is I'm saying multiply by 100, and then that reads 12800. Yeah, so that was what we did last one. Let's see what we do next. So this is programming exercises. I'm on page 79, and we're on part or task 5 now, which is write a program that controls the lines of text given below, one line at a time. Initially, the text is created on the bottom of the line. Bottom line of the display for 2 seconds. Then it moves up to be centered on the top line for 2 seconds, to be replaced on the bottom line by okay, so it's a scrolling bit of text. Enclose the loop in enclose the program in an infinite loop and test on the LCD. Cool. All right, that's kind of interesting. So there are only 10 kinds of people: those who understand binary and those who do not. I love that joke. All right, cool. So this is our last program from the last video. So we initialize the LCD by starting it. And we do not need to read in any inputs, so we can delete our inputs and outputs straight away. We'll leave our delay there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear the screen. No. Are we gonna clear? No. On each loop, we're not. Are we gonna clear the screen? I don't know actually. Damn. Because I think let's just go with, let's assume we're gonna clear the screen. Yeah. I don't know actually. Dang. What's the best way to do this? I was thinking you print this, then you clear the screen, and then okay, so you print this on what line? Is it line 4? I'm trying to think that maybe you assign variables. I don't actually know, to be honest. So this is where I have a big problem with this curriculum, because there's no advice. There's no guidance. It's a teaching curriculum with just a task and absolutely zero guidance. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start and just see how far I can get. And I'm pretty much willing to give up on this one, just like I have one other one. So let's set firstly we'll set the X position to 0. And we'll set our Y position, I believe, to 4. I believe that's the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to print, not a number, we're going to print a string. And we're going to say we want to, what was it? There are only. The text is going to be there are only. Okay, so we've done that. Then I'm not actually sure here. Let's delete all of that. That will put that on the screen for 100 milliseconds. How long do they want it on? Was it 2 seconds? 2 seconds. So let's do that. And now that's 2 seconds. So after we do that, the easy way to do this is to then just, once you've done that, repeat the whole thing again. But do it twice and then 3 times. It's gonna be a massively long program. I don't know. My general approach, which I haven't been doing in these videos because I do want to keep them short, but they always end up being 20 minutes, is I would program this like this in a really ugly way. So I'd copy and paste this whole thing again, paste that in there, paste it probably one more time, get rid of this delay, get rid of this clear, and then now, so this is the second point. So there are only, and then 10 kinds. So 10 kinds, and then this would be, so this one goes on to what, row 3. So that's what I would do. I'll do that. So let's just download that and see how that looks. Do I need to clear? I feel like I would need to clear. Oh, I am clearing. Okay, yeah. Cool. Let's see how that looks. So yeah, this is obviously not how you program it, and I would like to be given some constraints or some guidance here, but obviously I'm just not going to get it, so that's fine. So yeah, we program it like this. I'll do that really quickly, where we just literally just manually. So there are only, and it's just doing that over and over again. It's not moving. Okay, 10 kinds only. There are only 10 kinds. Okay. So maybe I don't understand how this XY thing works. Why has it done that? I don't get that. Why is it printing? Why is it printing these on the same line? No, I'm confused there. Cursor is set to 0, 3, and then 0, 4. So I don't know. Let's set it to 3 and then 2. I don't fully understand how the screen works. I got X and Y, right? I don't get that. And I don't know why these LEDs are on as well. Let's try that again. Okay. So what do we get? There are only, okay, so maybe there is not, the fourth row doesn't exist. Maybe it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So there are only 10 kinds. Okay? So we'll do that. I'll just do that manually quickly for the rest. So again, rinse and repeat this whole program. Again, there. Add an extra bit here. This is really crap. So now you bump everything up by 1 again. So 1, 2, 3. So there are only 10 kinds, and then it's what? Of people. Of people. So if this works, I might stop here, because this is just a bit boring. So of people. Okay. For that. So what I would like is, now how can we simplify this code so that it's not going to be that long? This is like proper kids programming. There are only 10 kinds of people. Yeah. So I mean, we get it, right? That's pretty simple. I'm not sure beyond this now. How do you make this better? So, you know, and because it's flowcharts, I can't actually even copy and paste into ChatGPT and ask. So this is my third bit now. There are only 10 kinds, and then of people, those who I guess I should probably put, should I put an exclamation mark? No. Okay. So those who, and then that's going to be, now this will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. I guess I'll just do the next bit as well. So the next bit will just be, no, we don't need to create any more. So the next bit is delete, move everything up by 1, basically. So just swap these strings, right? So there are only 10 kinds of people there. And the last one is those who understand. Again, this is like very basic programming. Rinse and repeat here now. Again, move everything up by 1. Bring that down to the bottom. Of people, those who I'm sorry that this is so boring. Understand, and then binary. Binary. Rinse and repeat again. Bloody hell. Again, you would obviously never program like this. Of people, those who understand binary, and those who last one. I mean, don't you, when I'll zoom out of this code so you can see how ridiculous this is going to look. Understand binary, those who, and last one. So hopefully you've understood what I did there. I mean, that was just some very basic. All right, now look at how long this code is. Absolutely atrocious. That is a joke, man. Look at that. What a joke. Anyways, we'll compile this to target, even it's absolute trash, and then I don't actually know of a better way to do it. I'll pause the recording here and just have a quick think about it, but let's just confirm it works. The problem is we're at 11 minutes already now, so it's like, is it worth continuing? There are only 10 kinds of people, those who understand binary, and those who don't. There are only... Now what's interesting is, how would you get it to then just keep rolling without clearing there? I just can't get over the fact that this is crap. So, all right, I guess these could be defined as functions, but that's rubbish because you would have to already created all of these. If you didn't want to create them, what you would do is, I guess you would start with this program here. So let's save this and let's file save as 25 or 26, and then I don't know, remastered, but I can't think of a better word. All right, so I would start with this program, just with everything, doing the functions that I want. Then I might call upon certain variables. So I could assign all of these into variables. So each one into a variable: string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, string 6, string 7, string 8. And then I could for loop through, indexing until 8 and then starting again. I could actually define string 9, 10, and 11 one and have them blank. So blank string, blank string, blank string, there are only, and then go from there like that. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So let's give that a go. So let's set out some variables. We'll set out an array actually. So we'll delete that one. Delete that. All right, so variables, add new, and we want a string array, and we want it of, well, let's just say LCD text. I should probably define exactly how many I want here. String, it's a string. Yeah, I should probably define how many I want. And did that do that? That just defined one. I want an array length. Add array dimension. Okay. So 10, 10. Yeah, that's about right. There we go. Okay. So then I define, so I want, and I set the default value of these. Edit. Convert to constant. Maybe. Would that do what I want? No. All right, so let's use a calculation block. This might be fun actually. So can I set up and assign all of these? So string 0 and I want that equal to nothing, just a blank. Can I do that? Oh, it's not string 0, is it? It's LCD text. LCD Z text 0, and I want that equal to nothing. That works, okay. So can I now just do the same for the rest? So the first, what, 0, 1, 2, the first 3, I want them to be blank. The next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, I don't know how many I need. So the next one, oh, is that going to be 3? Bloody hell. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need more than that, but okay. So they should be there. All right. There are only, and then we've got 10 kinds of people. Kinds of, is it people? Just like that. 10 kinds of people. Those who, then we got, okay, so we need a lot more. Understand. And so we probably might need more arrays there, more elements. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Those who understand binary and those who just bang on 10. Those who don't. So now I've defined my array there. Come on. What happened? Doesn't like the apostrophe, I guess. I'm not about to figure out how to do that. Forget that. Those who don't. Huh? And highlighted index is out of bounds. Is it because like my array starting from it starts from 0 to 9, which is 10. Yeah, that's confusing. So I need to basically, I haven't defined. I need 11 elements, not 10. So I don't know which one is my character limit and which one's my array length. I can't remember. So so LCD text 10 is equal to don't. In there you go. Boom. So now we've defined everything. What I want now is probably a for loop. I've never done a for loop on here before. A for loop. Loop count. There we go. So I can loop 10 times maybe. I can loop I times. I don't know. Okay, let's get ChatGPT here to sort this bit out. So I can't really remember. So let's go ChatGPT and then create a for loop for me to loop through these. I might just do it in C just for speed because I don't know Flowcode. So come on, hurry up. What is that? Is that Python? Mate, that's so easy. Bloody hell. What is that? That looks nice. Look at the C version. Oh dear. Oh, that still doesn't look too bad. All right. How do I do that? I have no idea how to do that in Flowcode though. So can I drop some C code in? Will this work? Please work. Seems to be okay. All right. Will that compile? I'm not sure it will. Okay, so that compiled, but that doesn't mean that C code is necessarily working, right? But let's assume it is working. Then I should try and just do this for loop in, but I just don't know how to do it. So I need a variable I. So where do I declare that? Do I declare that here? My variables. So let's do a variable I as an integer, fine at 0. then can I say loop count using a variable I, and is it, what does this mean? What does this count mean? Count 1? I don't know. Loop I 1 times. What does that mean? Loop I 11 times. I have no idea. Sure, okay, let's do that. I'm gonna delete this C code. So loop 11 times I. Do I even need an I if I'm telling it to loop 11 times? I have no idea. Okay. So now I want to clear the screen. Then I want to set my cursor to 0 and print, and I want to print that variable. So I want to print LCD 0 like that. No, I want to print LCD I. Can I do that? If I can't do that, I'm buggered. I want to print LCD I. Ooh, okay. We're getting somewhere. Then I want to wait 2 seconds, I guess. No, wait. No. I want to print. I'm going to print 4 times every time. Okay. So I'm going to have that wait 2 seconds. That's going to be at the end. So I want to print again. Why have I got 0.4 there? Not 0.3. I'm not sure what I'm doing now. That might, but that worked. We tested that. All right. So set the cursor to 0. Okay, wait. Let me just go to my last one, because it's the last one that has everything that I need. So where's the last delay there? So delete all of that. And that delay, actually. Just give me all of this code. So this is all the code that I need. Okay, cool. So we clear the screen. We set our first cursor to 0. And then we want to print LCD I. And then we want to print LCD. So I can copy and paste this. Then it's going to be I plus 1. Mate, if this works, I'm going to lose my marbles. I'll be so happy. So I plus 1. It's letting me do it. Nice. Come on. I plus 2. And I plus 3. And then we just need to increment I. And now we need a calculation block. Come on, please work. I is equal to I plus 1. Now I don't know what this loop here is doing. Loop variable I don't know what that's doing. But anyways, let's give this a go. Woo! The stress. Can it be right? Camera's a bit buggered. Come on, please work. Almost done. I'll tell you when it's going for it. Alright, it's going for it now. There are 10 kinds of people. Those who understand binary and those who don't. It's a bit buggy because my character limit's cutting stuff off. But oh my goodness. I did it. It's janky as well. I guess the delays are a bit janky, but oh, and I think yeah, I'm not bothered. I mean, I'm happy with that. Bloody hell. You know, you can't want much more from me, can you? Come on. That deserves, if you've watched this video and you know, that deserves a like. Come on. Leave a comment. Come on. I'm proud of myself for that one. All right, look at that. So that is now our code. Oh wait. Oh yeah. That's our code, yeah. That's cool, that. So, I just need to increase my character limit, I think, which I can do quickly. So where I've got 11, I don't know which one's which actually. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's just ask ChatGPT. In an array, which is my character length? Which one is it? You still ain't told me. What the hell? Let's do this one as 21. Which one? Which one? 11 or 21? Oh, it says, and the inner array holds. Each string is stored in a 2D array where the outer array represents each string up to 11 strings, and the inner array holds up to 10 characters. So, maximum. So it's the second dimension that stores my character length. So I'll increase that to 20, and then we should be good. Yeah, man. Oh man, I'm glad I tried it. Hopefully, it's made the video an extra 10 minutes longer. So hopefully that's not a problem for you guys. But I'm glad it worked, man. Bloody hell, all good. That's insane that just worked. Come on. There are only 10 kinds of people. Why does it produce? Ah, okay. It looks like it's jittering at the beginning because I guess it takes some time. And those who don't. It seems to do like two lines at a time. Yeah, what? Okay. So why is it jumping? I know what it's doing. It's doing 2 lines at a time because I think, you know, this for loop here, I've told it to count using a variable as well. And I think I don't need this I++. So I'll just comment this out. I don't know how to do it. Toggle disable. There you go. Let's try that one more time and then, yeah, we'll wrap this video up. So, I think this will work now. I'm pretty confident. Yeah, man. There should be 1 line at a time now. Almost done. File sending, file sending, file sending, file sending, file sending. Done. Alright, there are only 10 kinds of people. Those who, nice. We did it. Understand binary. And those who don't. Nice. Proud of myself for that one. Bloody hell. Proud of myself. I'm glad I didn't resort to using like ChatGPT's C code or anything. Like I actually did it in Flowcode, and you know, it's cool that actually that this is basically a for loop now, which is nice. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Probably my favorite episode. This is the one I can hold up. And again, it's not because the curriculum is not particularly good. It just gives you a task and doesn't even say anything really. You know, like, you know, you could just say you should consider using an array of strings and for looping, and that would, you know, that would at least put someone down the path. For a college student that's 16 or 17 years old as well, I mean, that, you know, especially if they have to do a microcontroller course as part of like their mechanical engineering degree, they're not necessarily going to understand at all what this stuff is. So yeah, kind of sucks, the curriculum, but I'm happy. That was a good one. So hope you enjoyed it. Take care guys. Bye bye.